First, take out of all items from the package. The package includes manual, monitor, camera, windshield mount, sunshade, test wire, cigarette lighter adapter, DC power cord, antenna, V.An sticker, Furrion bracket, U bracket, other accessories. Mount 2 of the antennas on the camera. Pick up the monitor. Install the other 2 antennas on the monitor. Please install them at the same time. Install the sunshade to the monitor. Pick up the U bracket. Tear off one side of the V.An sticker and stick it to the bottom of the U bracket. Align the bracket with the hole on the side of the monitor. Fix the monitor and bracket with screws. Follow my operation. The bracket can be flexibly adjusted in angle. After adjusting the angle, tighten the screw. You can tear off the other side and mount it on the dashboard.
Now we will demonstrate how to the windshield mount. Rotate the screw on the windshield mount, like my way. Move the cube. Take up the back of the monitor. Slide the cube into the back of the monitor, like my way. You can adjust the position you want. Tighten the screw. You can mount it on the windshield.
Pick up the test wire. Connect one end of the 2 connectors of the test wire to the camera. Connect the other end of the test wire's 2 connectors to the monitor. Connect the other end of the test wire to the cigarette lighter adapter. Plug the cigarette lighter adapter to the power outlet. Press the red button. The red button lights up. The monitor lights up and the image appears on the screen. The testing finished.
Connect the power cord to the camera. Unplug the power cord from the monitor. The easiest way is connect the monitor to cigarette lighter outlet.
Plug the cigarette lighter adapter to the power outlet. Press the red button. The red wire is connected to the positive wire of the tail light or 12 volts DC power system. The black wire is connected to the negative of the tail light or 12 volts DC power system.
The monitor lights up and the image appears on the screen.
The power key to turn off on the screen. Touch Cam P again to switch to the Cam 2 channel. Touch Cam P again to switch to the split screen. Touch Cam P again to switch to the Cam 1 channel. Touch the menu key to enter the menu mode. Touch the plus or minus keys to switch to the picture. Touch the 6th key to confirm. Touch the 6th key to confirm. The icon turns red. Touch the plus or minus keys to adjust the brightness. Touch the 6th key to confirm. You can set parameters for brightness, contrast, and saturation. Touch the menu key to return to the previous interface. Touch the plus or minus keys to switch to the mirror flip. Touch the 6th key to confirm. Touch the plus or minus keys to select the mode you need. Touch the 6th key to confirm. Touch the menu key to return to the previous interface. Touch the plus or minus keys to switch to the mode. Touch the 6th key to confirm. You can choose the split mode you need. Touch the menu key to return to the previous interface. Touch the plus or minus keys to switch to the system. Touch the 6th key to confirm. You can set the parameters of system time, language. Touch the menu key to return to the previous interface. Touch the plus or minus keys to switch to the P line. Touch the 6th key to confirm. You can turn on/off the guideline. Touch the menu key to return to the previous interface. Touch the plus or minus keys to switch to the record. Touch the 6th key to confirm. You can turn on or off the rewrite function, and turn on formatting the SD card. Touch the menu key to return to the previous interface. Touch the menu key to quit the menu mode when the guideline appears on the screen. Touch the plus key when the H appears on the screen. Touch the minus key to adjust the height of the guideline. Touch the plus key when the M appears on the screen. Touch the minus key to moving the guideline right or left. Touch the plus key when the W appears on the screen. Touch the minus key to adjust the width of the guideline. Touch the plus key, the letter not appear on the screen. Touch the CMA key to switch to the camera channel. Turn off the camera's power. Touch the menu key to enter the menu mode. Touch the 6th key to enter the pairing countdown. Turn on the camera's power. The image appears on the screen, indicating that the pairing is successful.
The process of connecting the camera to the lamp line. T-taps. T-taps has 2 holes and 1 hole is closed. The long line is the line of the lamp or the circuit line on the car. Thrust the car light line into the first hole. Camera power cord. Plug the power cord into the second hole. Iron sheets. Clamp the iron sheet to the tap's bottom.